Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 8th, 2025, and we're diving into Tapestry's fiscal 2025 third quarter earnings report. Tapestry, the parent company of Coach Kate Spade and Stuart Weitzman, has just released its latest financial results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Tapestry's latest report is quite impressive, and I'm excited to break it down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Tapestry reported a net revenue of $1.6 billion for the third quarter of fiscal 2025, marking a 7% increase compared to last year. John, can you elaborate on this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by a 13% increase in the Coach brand, which saw a 15% growth on a constant currency basis. This was complemented by a 140 basis points expansion in gross margin, reflecting operational efficiencies and strategic pricing.
And how did Tapestry perform in terms of earnings per share?
Tapestry achieved an adjusted EPS of 13 cents, significantly beating the forecast of 89 from 7 analysts. This represents a 27% increase from the prior year, showcasing strong profitability improvements.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How did Tapestry manage its expenses this quarter?
Tapestry reported SG&A expenses of $929 million on a non-GAAP basis, maintaining a stable percentage of sales compared to last year. The company also achieved a non-GAAP operating margin of 17.5%, up from 16.1% in the prior year, indicating effective cost management.
And what about their future outlook?
Tapestry has raised its full-year outlook for revenue, earnings, and cash flow. They expect to return over $2 billion to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases, highlighting their commitment to delivering shareholder value.
Strategic initiatives and brand performance. John, Tapestry has been focusing on strategic initiatives. Can you tell us more about their brand performance and customer acquisition?
Sure. Tapestry acquired over 1.2 million new customers in North America, with a significant portion being Gen Z and millennials. Coach led the charge with a 15% revenue growth in constant currency, and digital revenue saw a mid-teens percentage increase, reflecting their successful omni-channel strategy.
And how did their product lines perform?
Handbag revenue, particularly at Coach, showed strong growth, supported by innovation and broad-based traction across their leather goods offerings. This is a testament to their focus on fashion innovation and product excellence.
Financial health and shareholder returns. Let's discuss Tapestry's financial health. How did they perform in terms of net income and cash flow?
Tapestry reported a non-GAAP net income of $220 million, with cash flow from operations at $144 million for the quarter. Their strong balance sheet and cash flow generation enable them to maintain robust shareholder return programs.
What can shareholders expect in terms of returns?
The company declared a quarterly dividend of 35 cents per share and is executing a $2 billion accelerated share repurchase program. This reflects their confidence in future growth and commitment to returning capital to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Tapestry has delivered a strong third quarter with impressive revenue and earnings growth, driven by strategic brand initiatives and operational efficiencies. They have raised their full-year outlook, reflecting confidence in their future performance. John, any final thoughts?
Tapestry's ability to exceed expectations and raise guidance is a positive indicator for investors. Their focus on innovation, customer acquisition, and shareholder returns positions them well for sustained growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Tapestry's performance in the comments below. Until next time.